Welcome to Dear Home Talk. I'm Abbie. I'm here to go through Hometalk's DIY forum to give people creative DIY solutions to their home and garden problems. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any more great ideas from Hometalk. I'm scrolling through Hometalk's DIY forum to find a question to answer. Ashley says, Dear Hometalk, how can I DIY fake plants for my home? I'm really bad at keeping plants alive but want some greenery in my home. Do you know how I can DIY some? Okay guys, let's get started. First, I hopped over to the dollar store where I purchased gems, a pool noodle, a planter, sand, and some rocks. Next, I went to Lowe's and purchased a terracotta pot. Grab your pool noodle and cut it into 3 pieces. I wanted mine to be different heights, so I cut them all to different sizes. Next, round out the top of the noodle using a craft knife. After that, rub the knife back and forth to add texture. Next, grab some wooden skewers. These can be found at any local grocery store, and cut them to size using a pair of pliers. After that, poke the dull end into each of the noodles. Next, grab a terracotta pot and some plastic bags. Place each noodle into the pot and use the plastic bags as filler and support for the noodles. Finally, add some rocks, gems, or sand, whichever you prefer. And just like that, you're done. This is such a creative alternative to a cactus that will never die on you. I chose to brighten up a corner of my living room, but this would also be super cute as a party centerpiece or porch decor. On to idea number 2. Grab some pliers, wire, and begin planning out your shape. I found it helpful to draw mine out, but you could also use a pattern or look at line drawings for inspiration. After that, begin molding your shape out of the wire. After you're happy with your shape, grab a dollar store pot and add some floral foam to it. Next, place your wire shapes into the foam. After that, grab an LED neon rope. I purchased mine on Amazon. Glue the neon rope onto the wire shape. Next, hide the power button in the pot and add some sand to the top. This will hide the power button as well as stabilize the pot. Finally, I added some dollar store gems for a pop of color. And just like that, you're done. This is such a funky alternative to the traditional houseplant. I hope this inspires you to get crafty in your home. Got a question you need answered? Write us Dear Home Talk at the DIY forum, link down below in the description. Thanks for watching! We'll see you next week for another episode.